right, well, we got a special guest here at SHOT Show 2013. Came to the ADS booth, Chris Costa.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too. So, what do you got going on at SHOT Show?
Well, you know, 2013 kicks off more training this year, so there's a lot of focus on that.
And Costa Ludas.
As you know, the gear as well, and you know, developing some new stuff and some new releases.
Yeah, you got some big announcements.
No, I think it's been great, and I think what's really good for at least a lot of the people that I interact with is the relationship that we have between tactical distributors, also with the ADS, and being able to be a one-stop shop for my clients.
Right. So for the government side, we got ADS. Inc.com.
And a lot of people don't realize that on the ADS side of the house, there's an actual private side where if you're military, you can actually log in as long as you go to .gov and the .mil, if I remember correctly.
Sure, exactly.
And I think that's good because, you know, obviously a lot of my clients are a mixture of law enforcement, military, and then the civilian side.
Right.
So to have everybody being taken care of like that.
And all the same brands. I mean, you got all the brands that make sense across the board. I mean, some of the brands aren't on ADS, like we don't have GoPro, which is more of a commercial item, but then we don't carry B.E. Meyer on the tactical side, which they carry on the ADS
Absolutely.
side.
And I think that's what the great synergy here is between our two companies, is that, you know, my clients are always wondering, what am I wearing, what am I using?
Right, they want the best equipment.
Absolutely.
Good price.
And it's, instead of going to 6 different vendors, they can just come to one vendor, get the stuff next day. I know a lot of people are like, hey man, I didn't expect free shipping, or I didn't expect it to be expedited. So I know there's a lot of other little things that you guys do as well.
Well, we try to do, you know, we try to keep the customer in focus all the time. And I know everyone says that, but we really built the company based upon that. With the overnight shipping, we add a bunch of extra stuff in the packages and they get them. We have great customer service.
So I think, you know, for students, it's a really good way to go. And I know we have Costa's Corner, but what I don't want to get lost here is that that's a snapshot of some of the stuff that I like, some of the good gear and products that I run. But don't stop there. Search the entire site.
I mean, we got we put so 20 products
stuff.
on it.
Yeah, absolutely. So now I appreciate you guys supporting my my students and all the people that we work with. And now I think with this ADS side of the house, for military guys that are able to capitalize on bigger orders, bigger purchases, now
it's in stock. They don't have to wait for them to write a purchase order, get the product in, and then ship it to them. It's in stock. Yeah. So everything that's on that website, they can purchase right then. They'll get it within a few days.
Absolutely.
So everyone, thanks a lot. Chris, why don't you tell them where they can sign up for classes or check out all your stuff you got going on this year?
So most of the things, if you're going to stay up to date, Facebook is a really good way to go, and that's under.
Is that just Chris Costa? Or?
It's Chris Costa, and it's marked under athlete. You'll see the company logo there. And then as far as signups for classes, that would be www.costaludas.com.
All right. Well, hey, thanks everyone. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming out and seeing us.